Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where we get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, and with me as usual is my husband Marcel, who is behind the camera. Now this morning we are in Maceron and we are going to be visiting Rochelle. I'll tell you what that is about in a little while, but in the meantime please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so would have received a package for her. This package in my hand here by mail from a donor who wished for us to open it, who wished for her to open the package on camera. So we are visiting her to give her this, and also we're bringing her some groceries from us, and we thought that it would be a good idea to also do an update, because we have not seen her since December. I mean, we'd have seen her, but the official video that would have posted last of her would have been in December. So we're using the opportunity to do an update so you can see the progress she has made and what's going on. All right, also want to say thank you to everyone who, you've been telling us where you are watching us from. America, England, Canada, all over. In Jamaica, Old Harbor, Spanish Town, Westmoreland, Portland, everywhere. We're thankful for your support. All right, so please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel so that you will always know what we are doing and we're able to keep track of our progress. All right. Wow. Oh boy, anytime I'm coming up this hill we have to stop and rest along the way. Especially when you get to this part where you have to make these big step ups. Alright. Oh wow. Give me that. Here. Alright. Resting. All right, here it goes.
That's all me here.
What?
Yeah, breathing.
I'm tired. Whoa. You have a nice view. Maybe if you up this side, this part. Why this hill is something else, so have to rest. Okay, all right, let's go. This area is pretty cold this morning, and I had a sweater on. I thought I'd just brave it out and take off that sweater and come up and bear the cold, but I'm not cold because by climbing and climbing I get so hot. Yeah. Wow.
Last step up.
Yeah. Oh my God. All right. Okay, good. Whew. Man. Rochelle. Rochelle. Maybe she's far back. Hi, morning. Where's mommy?
Miss Rochelle. Miss Rochelle. You have two lovely pictures.
Wow.
She said she on a back room at your home.
Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, well, I'm not at school today. All right. Hi, Rajon. How are you? School is out today. School out? Okay, Rochelle.
Not here for the time.
You so know. Yevi, I heard you crying. Oh Lord. I already told our subscribers and our donors that we would have gotten a package for you via the post office, and so we're delivering it. And this package is from a donor by the name of Lady D from London. So Lady D, thank you so much. We appreciate the gesture, and now we're handing over this package to Rochelle. All right, and she wished for you to open it on camera.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. You want me to see? I'm not sure I feel. Okay. Okay, so that looks like kids' clothing. Can I hold them up, Rochelle, when you take them? Oh, like, like here. Okay. So, clothing for the baby. And then you have sewing stuff here, like needles and threads, and then there's a dress. I figure this is for one of the young ladies.
Right. These are
Scrunchies.
These are tablets, paracetamol.
Oh, okay.
Hats. Toothbrushes.
Yeah. Okay.
Tights.
Okay. This and this matches seem like they go together.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. It looks that way.
Undergarments, underwears.
Yeah. Another dress. You hold it up crossway door. Okay.
All right. This is another tights.
Okay.
Blouse. Tights again. These are pencils and eraser. These are rags.
Okay.
These are pencil cases. And these are underwears.
Yeah.
And these are
For hair accessories or so. Clips. Yeah.
and this is a blouse again. And one more paracetamol.
And more paracetamol.
That's it.
All right. So Lady D, just want to say to you, thank you so much, because you would have donated already, when we were working on the house for Rochelle. So we thank you, and again, you would have donated some clothing items. So a lot of respect to you. Thank you so much, and we do appreciate the gesture.
Okay, good morning, Lady D. Thank you very much. Well appreciated, and may God continue to bless you.
All right. So how are things though, Rochelle, overall, since the last time we would have come here? How have things been going?
Not bad, better than before, can say. Still giving God thanks, but
Yes.
it's a little bit better than before.
Okay.
Not complaining at all.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And some persons, they want to find out if you have enrolled as yet in the heart program that you spoke about
Yes.
initially. You have enrolled?
I did, it was when yesterday, no, day before yesterday.
It would have been what?
I
Saturday,
went to
Friday?
Mandeville. So?
Friday.
Probably. Either Thursday or Friday. Yeah, Friday. Yes, I went to Mandeville, signed up. They said that after the classes in Newport. Yeah,
Okay, so when do you start?
September.
September. Okay, okay. Is it online or you have to travel?
I have to travel.
You have to travel.
I thought the information that I got before, they said it would be online, but seems as if everything changed up again, so
Okay, okay.
to travel.
All right, some great start. So congratulations, you know, on taking that step, and we're wishing for you all the best in your endeavors.
Yeah.
All right, and also we would have brought you some groceries from us, Marzel and myself. You don't have to open this. All right, so just gonna rest it right here. Right, it's not much, but it should be able to help
Yes,
you out
appreciate
somewhat.
it. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
All right, guys, so this is it. This is where we end this video. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye. Love you.